interested in renewable energy stocks, I know that states' renewable portfolio standards are very important in spurring the wider adoption by electric utilities of renewable technologies. But then I also know that different renewable energy companies focus on very different states, and each state's individual RPS policy is very different from each other. So, to do proper due diligence, I look at Desire's website. This is a database of different states' RPS policies. But then I'm greeted with this giant, really complicated behemoth of a thing, right? Each state has different types and tiers, and as a new investor, I'm sort of put off and discouraged about all this information imperfection. And I might go look at natural gas stock or something. But wait, to save the day is this new app. After I accept the terms and conditions, this new application called States Leaderboard RPS Potential Growth, it tells me, basically, as an investor, where I should focus all my energy and money on to see the biggest growth rates based on the RPS mandates. For instance, if you look at Rhode Island, the current renewable ratio is 3%. But by law, utilities are mandated to have 31% by 2019. To basically not get all that significant state penalty, the utilities have to increase their adoption of these renewable technologies. And what that translates to directly is that this app automatically calculates what the annual growth rate for these utilities have to be in terms of getting new capital expenditure for these renewable technologies. And I can scroll down, I can see all of these states with their RPS and how far away basically they are from reaching the RPS, and therefore because of how far away, how much potential for growth is there. As you can see, a lot of these states actually already reached their RPS mandate and go far beyond. So in those states, the RPS regulatory pressure probably is not as significant, for instance, as those states in the top of this ranking. And for an investor like me, this is very important information. And finally, if I click on it, I get the pie chart about what the current energy mix is in this particular state. I know basically what the energy breakdown is by each particular generation type. And finally, if I click on that link, I'm brought back to the Desire's website, but this is particular to the state, and I can get much more detailed information. Thank you.